In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business location in Google Maps. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To do this, it only takes 3 steps. First, log into your Google Business Profile Manager and select the Info tab from the menu at the left side of the screen. In the next Info tab, you should see the location at the top of the screen alongside the little pencil icon at the right side of its title. Click the pencil icon to edit the location for that exact business. A new prompt will appear called Business Location. You can change the country or region, the street address, and the city in the 3 boxes on the left side of your screen. You can also see a preview and Google Maps of your business location. You can pinpoint the exact location by dragging the red pen at the right side of the screen. As soon as you are done changing the business location, you can apply the changes, and customers will be able to verify the location after you update it through the Google Business Location Manager. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your Google Business Location in Google Maps. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.